Good morning, students. Today we are going to see Unit 2. The topic is the apple tree and the farmer. And children, you know it is a supplementary. Dear children, do you know a proverb about an apple? So let us see. An apple a day keeps the doctor away. An apple is an edible fruit that produced by an apple tree. Apple trees are cultivated worldwide and it is very precious. The tree originated in Central Asia. Now let us see some facts about apple tree. More than 7,500 different types of apples are grown on apple tree throughout the world. Apple tree blossoms vary in color. Their brilliant colors include white, pink and yellow. Apple trees is a plant in the rose family. Most apple trees, like most rose plants, are generally found in the northern hemisphere. Now let us go to the lesson. The supplementary. Once upon a time, there was a farmer. He lived in a village up in the hills beside a forest. So the farmer lived beside the forest. In his farm, where he grew many kinds of vegetables, he also had an apple tree. So he cultivated and he had grown many kinds of vegetables, and in his farm he had an apple tree too. So when the land is fertile, you can cultivate many kinds of vegetables and fruits. He cultivated vegetables and an apple tree was in his farm. For many years, the farmer and his family had enjoyed the tastiest apple from the tree. So he and his family enjoyed the tastiest apple from the tree. So, as a boy, the farmer and his friends played under the apple tree. Children, here you can see in this lesson, the supplementary, the farmer and his played under the apple tree. Now, you too also will be playing under the apple tree. Not only they were playing swing, but they also played hide and seek, run around. All that play they were playing under the apple tree. Today you also will be doing the same. They played hide and seek around the tree. They climbed the tree and swung on it. And in season they plucked and ate the apple. When the season comes, they were plucking and eating the apples. Today you also, if you see the mangoes or other fruits on the tree, you too will pluck the fruits and will have it. As the years passed, the boy grew into a man. He took over the farm and continued to enjoy the fruits from the tree. So he and his friends were eating the apples from the garden. He plucked and they were having it. So as the day went on, the boy grew into a man. The boy grew into a man. He took over the farm and continued to enjoy the fruits from the tree. In the meantime, many small animals and birds started living in the tree. See, not only the human beings were playing under the tree, but here the animals, small animals and birds started living in the tree. The man's children and their friends started playing under it. So, the birds and animals found a shelter on the tree, and now here his friends started playing under it. So under the tree, the boy has grown into a man. His friends were playing under the tree. The large and shady apple tree now grew old and was bearing fewer and fewer fruits. It was nice to sit under its shade in the summer, but nothing grew under it. So, you too also will be growing as the years passes on. The same way how the man grew old. Here the trees also grew older and it was producing very few fruits. The farmer felt the space could be used to grow some vegetables. He also felt he could use the wood to build a new room in the house. So he was sitting under the tree. He did not get any fruit. As the years the tree grew up, it became old and it was producing very few fruits. Now the farmer decided to cultivate the vegetables. Could cut the tree and we shall cultivate vegetables. Therefore, he decided to cut the tree. So now he is deciding to cut the tree. He did not think about the wonderful times he and his friends had played around the tree or the delicious apple they ate. See, he did not think of the earlier time he and his friends played under the tree and they were eating the delicious apple tree. Rather, he felt the tree had outlived its usefulness and should be cut down. So he thought of cutting down. When the farmer took the axe and began chopping the tree, all the little animals, birds, and insects that lived in the tree came rushing down. When you shook a tree, what happens? Whatever is on the tree, it falls down. So when he started to cut the tree, chop the tree, the little birds and animals and insects lived in the tree came rushing down. They started running around in alarm, chirping and squeaking all over the place. So they were making a lot of noise. They were crying, they chirping, squeaking all over the place. The farmer was adamant. He raised his axe and the uproar grew. So he was very much adamant. Adamant means stubborn. He did not listen to the birds and the animals which was alarming. And he wanted to cut the tree. So he raised his axe and he was about to cut the apple tree. The farmer, however, forgot his childhood and his animal friends. He began to chop the tree harder. So he forgot about his childhood and his animal friends because he enjoyed, that all those things he forgot, and he began to chop the tree harder. All the little animals became desperate and wanted to protect the apple tree at any cost. So they were desperate. They could not remain on the tree. The tree was shaking because the man was cutting the tree. The farmer was cutting the tree. So they were with the desperate. They wanted to protect the apple tree at any cost. Whatever the reason may be, we shall protect the apple tree. They ran around in circles, making a huge commotions. Now they were coming around him and making lot of commotions, making noise in order to stop by cutting the tree. They wanted to stop the farmer by cutting the tree. They didn't want to cut the tree. They want, because the birds and animals are taking the shelter on the tree and under the tree. Even the human beings place under the tree. The children plays under the tree and the people sits under the tree and get that shade. This brought the children out. Okay, what happened? This brought the children out. So the children were coming since he was cutting the apple tree with an axe. Can you see, children? This is called the axe. If you have not seen, please see it. Now here you see, children, the birds are moving around because they are not able to sit on the tree. The tree is shaking it down. They gathered around the farmer and said, now the birds and animals are gathering around the farmer to say that not to cut the tree. So they say, please don't cut the tree. We play here just like you did. Here you children, they brought the children out. At least the children can speak to the farmer. When the children will speak to the farmer will stop cutting the tree, the birds thought. So they brought the children out. The farmer's daughter and her friends began to plead with him. They were pleading, come on, father, please don't cut the tree. Come on, farmer, don't cut to the tree. They were pleading towards the farmer. Come on, father, please don't cut. Let the animals take the shelter under the tree, the birds, and we too play under the tree. They gathered around the farmer and said, please don't cut the tree. We play here just like you did. When you were small, you were playing under the tree and you were eating sometimes the apples that was grown on it. Come on it. These small animals live here. If you cut the tree, where will they go? Father, if you cut the tree, where will they go? You can enjoy the shade when you become old. It is a beautiful tree. So they are advising the father and the farmer. When you become old, you can sit under the tree. You can get the shade because it's a beautiful tree. All of a sudden, the farmer noticed a small fruit hanging from a branch. It was an apple and looked as delicious as the ones he ate as a boy. He plucked it and bit into a juicy fruit. He plucked the apple and he was eating. The memories of the fun he had as a boy came rushing back. When his daughter saw the changed expression in her father's face, she started pleading harder. When she saw the expression on his father's face, she started to plead harder. See, children, he is plucking the fruit and having it, the juicy fruit, the tastiest fruit. And the memory came back to him. What happened as a young boy? He enjoyed under the tree. And here the daughter saw the changed expression in her father's face, and she started pleading harder, asking again and again, Father, come on, don't cut the tree. You also do when you want something to be done. Father, come on, Father, give me that. The same way she also is doing it. The farmer put down his axe. He understood that the tree was home to many lovely animals and provided them with so many things. So he put on the axe and he realized he wanted his little girl to have the childhood that he had had. So he thought, let my child also enjoy under the tree. I ought to enjoy it under the tree earlier. He wanted his little girl to have the childhood that he had had. He threw away the axe and said to his daughter, I promise that I will never cut this tree. You and your friends will have your tree and your playground. So, dear children, did you understand? Now you have here choose the right options. First one is the animals became worried because the options are There was a heavy rain. The farmer began to chop the tree. Which one will be correct, children? The farmer began to chop the tree. Second one, the farmer promised that he would grow more tree or not cut the trees. So here goes, children, many more questions. So read the following statements and write true or false. If you have understood the lesson, you can write it is true or false. You have to read the lessons at least 5 times. Then you can answer it very easily. The questions are given in the back of your book. The lesson. Okay, children? So you read the lesson 5 times and answer the questions that are asked after this lesson. There are true or false. Identify the speaker, the character of the person, and choose the right answer. Identify the speaker, isn't it, children? That is the character. Here comes, please don't cut the tree. You know who said that. Second one, you can enjoy the shade when you become old. That also you know. And the third one, I promise that I will never cut the tree. Who said, children, this? It was said by the farmer. Here are some more questions. Which part of the story do you like? Why? Why do you like the story, children? You have to think and answer it. The second one is, if the little animals become homeless, what will happen? If they don't have home, what will happen? The same way, if we don't have home, what will happen? We have to live on the street. What made the farmer realize his mistakes? That you know, isn't it, children? So read the lesson 5 times. Thank you very much.